What's up, everybody? Another beautiful day in the sunny Southern California. But I'm actually gonna try and do something a little different today. I'm actually just gonna do a full-on how to connect a secondary compressor to your air management if you have it. I'm on Airlift V2 management, so I'm gonna show you guys how to do it on this specific management wire harness with a relay and a fuse. So I got this compressor. It's a I'm kind of butthurt. It's a 380. I thought it was a 444, but anyways, an extra compressor is, I'm sorry, 2 compressors is always better than 1. So, and I got it for free. So with that being said, I can't complain. But anyways, a customer gave it to me for free, and I'm pretty stoked about that. This is actually personally my first time running dual compressors, because when I was bagged before on that car up there, I always only ran 1 compressor, and then now I bagged this car and the same exact thing, I've only ran 1 compressor. I don't really care for a dual compressor because it does the same thing but just fills up the tank a little bit faster. To your main airlift harness with the V2 and as well as the 3P and 3H, it's all the same stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna clean out my trunk, get everything out, find out where I want to mount my compressor at, and then I'll go by step on how to wire it. Excuse me, my allergies are pretty bad. But airlift harness, second wire harness from Airlift or ECS, like any of those websites, is like $120, $130 just for the harness, and I think it's ridiculous. And we make them at my work, and we only sell them for $45, so it's literally like a quarter of what Airlift sells theirs for, and it does the same exact thing. It's just not nice, but you hide your wires anyway, so it doesn't really matter if it's nice or not, if that makes sense. Alright, next I'm going to show you guys basically all the parts that you're going to need, and what tools I'll be using to do this. So first of all, you're going to need at least an 8 gauge main wire. This is the main power wire that goes to your battery. You're going to need a fuse that's going to go on the end of that, and on the other end of this is a 40 amp box relay that you're going to need. It doesn't matter 4-prong, 5-prong. You don't use the middle one, so I mean, I recommend just getting a 4-prong, but it doesn't matter. And then some I think it's like a 14 or 16 gauge wire. It really doesn't matter, it just sends the signal to that. And then for the fuse, you can see the fuse box here. You want to run at least minimum 30 amp, or 40 is good as well, but you want to run that fuse for sure. And like I said, the relay, some 14 or 16 gauge wire, and then some wire crimpers, and then some wire strippers, just to strip the wires to put your connectors and stuff on to connect everything together. Just to show you guys, I took off the back seat for one, take off this like little side rocker panel type thing here, so I'm gonna be running the wires all here. I'm getting them all zip tied together and looking clean all the way up, all the way through here. I'm actually gonna tuck them underneath here, down here, all the way down, and then I'm going to go all the way up through, probably can't see back there, but through the firewall right there. Alright, so I got the main power ran, which is here. I'm obviously gonna clean all this up because this looks terrible, but like I said, through the firewall, I got all the panels back together. This here, it's all underneath here, underneath the carpet, behind the seat belt, all the way back here, underneath here, and it currently comes out right here. But I'm gonna tuck it up underneath the seat here and up back here so I can connect the compressor right here. I'll probably mount the relay or something right here somewhere so I can put the compressor right here. But anyways, just wanted to show you guys that really quick. And another thing is, on this is, like I said, I'm on the Airlift V2 management, but this here, it says compressor to signal. So this is what's gonna need to connect to that relay that I'm gonna do, but there's no connector on here. So I'm gonna put one of these quick release connectors on here, and then the other one on the relay to get the signal to the relay to turn the compressor on. But yeah, usually this will come, see, this is the main signal right here for the compressor to turn on and stuff, and then this is the secondary signal for the second compressor if you're running a second compressor. But yeah, I just wanted to show you that really quick, and I'm gonna get started on wiring up the relay to the main wire harness. But for now, just remember, this is your second compressor signal right here, and I'll show you guys where this is gonna connect to on the relay. All right, so I had to go get these connectors because apparently I didn't have any. But anyways, this main wire to this little accessory wire, 14, 16 gauge wire, put them together. All right, so now what you want to do is strip this wire, this little wire on this side, and then basically do the same thing with this one. I'm actually gonna fold this one in half like so. Put this in there, and then crimp that down. So that's like that. So this one's like this, and then this little one's like this, and then you're gonna want to grab your relay. So like I said, there's 4 prongs here. This one is gonna be for your main power, which is number 30. So you're gonna want to put the main power to number 30. Then you're gonna want to put this jump wire to number 85. So you can do 85 right here like so. So main power 30, this jump accessory wire 85, and then 86, which is here, the other side of this one. So this one here is gonna connect to the secondary wire signal on your main harness. So the opposite side of the main wire, this is where your your compressor is going to connect to. So you connect your compressor to here, your secondary wire signal for your main harness here, and you just want to jump this with the main power from the battery, so you guys can see. And I'll show you guys what it looks like completely put together, but just so you guys can see what it looks like here. The main, the jump, compressor, signal. Pretty simple. So I'm gonna finish up. Alright guys, I'm pretty much all done. Got everything pretty much all connected and stuff. I just need to find a ground for the compressor, and I recommend grounding the compressor to the body of the car, or a nice solid, a good ground, because you don't want a bad ground and popping fuse and burning wires and stuff. So highly recommend finding a good ground for your compressor. But like I was saying here, I know my wires aren't the cleanest, but
Yeah, don't give me crap about it. But anyways, this is the main wire to the battery. This 8 gauge jumps to here to send the signal. And then this is the main power, the red wire to the compressor. And then this other side right here, this blue one, is what tells the ECU of the management to send signal to the relay to kick on and send power to the compressor to obviously fill up your tank. But yeah, it's pretty simple. Like I said, now I just need to find a ground for this, which I'm gonna run down underneath the back seat to get a good ground off of. And also really quick before I forget, when you connect your compressor to your tank, make sure you put Teflon on really good and tight so it doesn't leak air. And also I'd recommend putting some blue Loctite on there, so it actually seals a bit better if you put the Loctite on there as well with the Teflon. So I have both compressors running at the moment. That's a 444C compressor from Viair and a 380C compressor from Viair. That one's big though. One on the right here is bigger than this one, but it really doesn't matter. They both pump air and stuff. So you can run a 380, a 444, 480, whatever you want. It's all up to you. But yeah, hope this was informational to anybody that's looking to wire up a second compressor to their system and how to wire a second compressor harness. Super easy, guys. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe and comment if you guys have any other further questions. I'd be glad to help. Anyways, peace out, guys.